rocking around the Christmas tree. Let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. Rocking around, 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 rocking, 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 rocking. Let's go now.
Happy Sunday. Hello guys, welcome back to Making It with the Matthews. It's your girl Melissa. It's Sunday and we just finished church and grocery shopping and all of those things. And now I'm about to go out to lunch with my girlfriend Narcissa. So we're checking out a new rooftop in downtown Charleston and we're bringing you guys with us. I put it down on the we ain't got nothing in common. Good one for me, my mama. And they never see me coming, oh coming.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me
downtown, and the drive was super quick and easy because there's not a lot of people on the streets. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, they've heard about you a long time ago, but
yes, I'm back.
Yes, she is better than ever.
Stop.
Gorgeous outfit, yes. All right, guys, we're at the restaurant. We're taking some content because you know we got to get the content, okay? So hold a second and let's do this.
You have an Apple Watch, right?
I do. I usually don't take my time because there's so many people out.
with you. I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to.
We're about to try the drinks.
Yes.
Is it doing it?
You don't see that there. No more.
Guys, we just finished at the rooftop and we're now going to Rarebit. So this is Narcissa's choice. And she's the Charleston guru. So, hi! I wasn't expecting it to be such a hot day, and I couldn't stand it anymore. But we just ordered fried okras and an espresso martini from Rarebit. This is my first time here, so hopefully it tastes good, but I will let you guys know. The other place was also good. The drink we had, y'all, the drink was so good. Like, so good. 10 out of 10, 12 out of 10. I actually want to go back for another one. You guys, this fried okra is so good. It's very well seasoned. And this aioli sauce, it's aioli sauce, right? Remoulade. So good. Like, every bite is everything and more. And the price.
It's a really good price point.
Talk about the price.
Listen, I'm trying to slow down because this will be gone in a moment. But let you catch up.
Guys, we just finished eating and the waitress was so amazing. Oh, brown sugar is help. You know who brown sugar is?
Oh, that's what you call him? Why is it not showing our face?
Oh, didn't you hang up? Brown, I want some of your brown sugar. That's where that's from.
Did I hang up? Girl, how do you live
did.
life with all these?
Oh, there they go.
Oh my God.
I know.
Cannot.
Hi. Say hi to Narcissa.
Hi.
We can't see your face, baby. to this.
Oh, I'm not. I just gotta make them feel special. Music. Finishing touches. Finishing touches. I need some greenery.
Music. You excited?
Sit. Sit.
Music, who's a good boy?
Laura, come look at music dinner. Sit. Sit and wait.
Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come around.
Hi guys! Today we're going on a special excursion. We're going to the Awendaw Blue Crab Festival. And I don't know if I talk about this a lot, but I say it a lot to my family that I could never find blue crabs in Charleston because you go to the restaurants and it's just mostly like crab legs. So I'm super excited about this adventure and experience. So I'm with hubby. Taylor's at practice. Amara's home. And so, yeah, we're rolling out. We're at Door Road.
I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love. Yeah.
$50. So that's for 2 people?
One general.
Yeah.
Yes. I got the crab. Tell them about crab. So what you do is when you're ready to get your crab, just take that to either one of those stations in the back.
Yeah.
There's spicy or garlic.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
And man, we got a big bucket of crabs. We about to go eat.
There's a lot of people out here, guys. Alright guys, so Aretha and Kendon are VIPs. Do you have a badge? A wristband, okay, VIP, okay. And this is the VIP tag that you're gonna show us.
That you move, wanna connect with you like Bluetooth. No touching, that's my boo boo. Your love, they do me voodoo. She's my new boo.
Alright guys, we're all here and the vibe is right. 2 drinks. Everybody give T-Rex
chicken.
Jerk chicken? You from Jamaica?
Huh?
You from Jamaica?
Trinidad.
Trinidad. I'm from Jamaica.
Yeah?
I gotta come try some. Taste of Trinidad.
And I got at least got one woman on the side. It really don't fit. Hang out with one woman, gotta have three. One woman just don't hold me down. One woman just lift me up.
Guys, everyone's having such a good time. Look at the line though for the crabs. I'm not about this crab line. I'm about to get VIP status right now for the crab station. So you the chef?
Kind of, sort of. This is my little operation.
It is? Oh yes, tell us about your operation. Please do.
So what we're doing, we're steaming some crabs. Actually, we're boiling them right now because boiling it's a lot quicker, and these lines got awful long. So yeah, but this is the garlic line, so we're just doing some garlic powder, and some onions and stuff like that.
Oh, so there are multiple lines.
Yeah. This is just for the garlic crab.
Which one's your favorite?
Well, I've got a secret recipe. So garlic probably my second favorite.
So what's your secret recipe? You have to follow us on YouTube. Do you have YouTube?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you have to follow us so you can see yourself. What's your name?
Rodney Porche.
Rodney Porche. What a nice name.
It is. It doesn't roll off your tongue.
Yeah, that's a very nice name. Okay, guys, I just met Rodney Porche, who is a part of the council in Awendaw, and he was so kind to show me their whole crab setup. The garlic crab line right now is the most popular line, but it could be because people think it's the only line. They have a regular Old Bay line on the other side. Guys, I am sweating. I'm so glad I'm wearing this mesh shirt. Our crab. Yeah, this is the one they just took off the stove. Guys, this is the pasta salad, and this is so good. Like, you tried some of this already? It's so good. Guys, this is why you have friends in high places. A whole bucket of Cajun crabs, you guys. This is for the girls. I really want to know. actually upgraded to a bigger spot. So we're gonna go check out their new spot. See if there's anything new on the menu. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to check out Taste of the Islands. It's one of our favorite restaurants that relocated to a bigger location. And so we're gonna go check out the vibes and see what it's all about.
Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can wait to shut it down. Want to show me how you work it. I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again.
Already ordering so much. We're getting fish tea, chicken soup, conch fritters. That's for our starters.
It was for you, my dear.
You want a starter or you just want to pick your meal?
Starter. These are starters?
Yeah.
Chicken tenders.
Seriously?
Chicken tenders for your
Wow.
meal? Everything is big, Auntie.
Huh?
Everything is big.
That's a meal. So then you want to hold off then?
Yeah.
Okay. She'll just hold off to order her meal.
Alrighty.
They have jerk fried chicken wings.
Yeah, that's what is last time.
No?
Jerk chicken wings.
What's your favorite drink right now on the menu?
My favorite drink right there? Mango carrot, of course.
There's a mango carrot? Oh, it's a tropical rhythm. Oh, okay. You guys don't have like natural juice that you made?
The location seemed cool. Definitely like a more decent location. You feel safer here, more things happening. Not that it was unsafe, but everything there seemed closed down and very dark. It seems a little bit more alive. It's definitely triple the size.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And so far the staff and everybody seems very nice. They're trying to be very professional.
Oh, yeah.
So, from what I remember, the food was good.
Oh, and look, it seems like they serve breakfast too. They have the whole coffee station set up over there.
So, yeah, we just gotta touch base on the food. But so far, I'm making it. I'm very hungry too, though. So, usually when I'm hungry, the food got good ratings. So if it's not good, it's gonna get very bad ratings.
Oh, hush.
I'm hungry. So imagine the food not being good when you're hungry. So sometimes everything not good, but it's good enough when you're hungry. You'll be like, the food was so good because you're hungry. And I'm hungry bad right now.
Alrighty, so this one is a fish celebration.
She's a pro. She ain't even flinch.
Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, my goodness. Let me try one. It looks like it makes so good.
The one that I like,
Yeah.
nothing else good.
Guys, what's the honey what wings?
It's the spicy hot.
Spicy hot wings.
Soup, yeah? Your soup got way more steam than mine.
I'm trying my chicken soup, you guys. Oh, yeah.
So far, everything.
So this is the sawfish fritters that just came.
Smell some sawfish in it.
We're gonna compare it.
Not bad, but it's like bread. I'm sorry?
So you have more sawfish?
But you could taste the sawfish. The canned fritters get 4. Sawfish fritters get 6. And if they were flatter, but made the same way, it might like up it to like a 7, 8-ish. Because the flavor tastes good. I can taste the sawfish. I mean, I get when you add the flour and then sawfish can mince out depending on how you mix it. The sawfish will get very thin, but it definitely have sawfish flavor and kind of seasoned very well. But the fluffiness kind of threw me off. I don't think I ever had it like that either. Like, look, it's legit bread.
Flat.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And every time that you come across my mind,